everyone, today we're gonna be making unicorn pearl slime. So for this project you'll need pearl slime, which you can see how to make in one of my previous videos, 3 food colorings of red, blue, and yellow, a base, and some rubber gloves so the food coloring won't get on your hands. So you place the slime on your base and divide it into 3 equal parts. And after you put the food coloring on each of those parts, so one part of your slime is red, one part of your slime is yellow, and one part of your slime is blue. So after that, you place them all together side by side and collect them all together and start to mix them. My favorite way is just like twisting way, trying to like stretch it. And it actually looks so wonderful and I love it. I totally recommend you to do this, and it's really cool. So so I'm going to show you how it looks like right now in a close-up. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching again. See ya! Love ya!